Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This video is only for those Filipinos who want to travel to Thailand as a tourist. And in this video, we will talk about Philippines to Thailand travel requirements and the cost of Philippines to Thailand. And we will also talk about how Filipinos can go to the Thailand without any quarantine, guys. And there is one more thing that I want to tell you to you guys, that why Filipinos should not go to Thailand at this time. So hey guys, this is your host Nixon Rivera, and let's start our today's video. Guys, before knowing anything else, you have to know the schemes by which you can go to the Thailand. Guys, Thailand have three schemes for tourists to enter in their country. The first scheme is acceptance from quarantine, and the second scheme is sandbox program, and the third is alternative quarantine scheme. Now, I will try to explain the meaning of these three schemes as quick as possible. So, guys, the meaning of first scheme is that you will arrive in Thailand, then you will have to do a COVID-19 test upon arrival, and you will wait for your result in your hotel. And if it will be negative, then you are free to roam. It's like test and go, and only travelers coming from 63 specific countries can avail this scheme. And Philippines is also one of those 36 countries, means Filipinos will follow the test and go rule, which is the easiest. And the second scheme is sandbox, which is open for every country. I mean, like as I said before, that only travelers coming from 63 countries can avail the test and go schemes, and travelers coming from other than those 63 countries will have to follow the sandbox schemes, in which they have to stay in a special sandbox area for 7 days, and they can travel anywhere else after 7 days. And the third scheme is for unvaccinated peoples only. If any unvaccinated person want to travel to the Thailand, then they have to complete their 10 days quarantine. And guys, luckily the Philippines is in their green list, means you guys don't need to quarantine in the Thailand at all. And if you still have doubt, then let me show you a proof. All right, so here is the website of Bangkok Post, and here you can read tourists from 63 countries now except from quarantine rules. And let's scroll down and find the Philippines. So guys, here you can read again the new 17 countries are India, Taiwan, Laos, Myanmar, the Philippines, Croatia, Indonesia, Kuwait, Maldives, etc. are now exempted from quarantine. So I hope you guys are now sure that you don't need to do quarantine in the Thailand. And don't worry guys, I won't give you wrong news, and please subscribe if you are liking my presentation. And then guys, now we will talk about the travel requirements to go to Thailand from the Philippines without any quarantine. So there are only 9 requirements that you have to fulfill to go to Thailand without quarantine, guys. So the first thing you need to go to Thailand is your Filipino passport with at least 6 months of validity and at least 2 blank pages for the in and out stamp. Next thing is the visa, but Filipinos can enjoy visa free entry in the Thailand for 30 days. So you guys don't need to take a visa before departure, and you guys can avail the visa free privilege easily. But you guys don't need a visa, but you will need a Thailand pass, which is the third requirement. And Thailand pass is like a travel pass, which you have to get before arriving in Thailand. And this Thailand pass is the alternative of the certificate of entry. Okay. The fourth requirement is your quarantine hotel booking, which must be prepaid. All right, guys. As I said, the Philippines comes under those 63 safe countries, and Filipinos don't need to quarantine. But still, you guys, as I said, you guys will have to do a on arrival COVID test, and you will have to wait for your result. So guys, you will need to book a quarantine hotel for one night, so you can rest there until your COVID-19 test will be released. And the hotel which you will book for the first night must be AQ hotel, alternative quarantine hotel, or Shapla certified hotel, guys. Now the fifth requirement is your confirmed flight tickets, guys. You must have a confirmed flight tickets of under 30 days, because Thailand allows Filipinos to do a visa free stay for 30 days only. And guys, the sixth requirement to go to Thailand is a medical insurance. You need to get a medical insurance to go Thailand, which must give you a coverage of 50,000 US dollars or more. And if you ask me where you can get this insurance, then you guys must buy it from the AXA website or by any other local insurance company. It will cost you around 4,000 peso to get an insurance of $50,000 for 30 days of validity. Now guys, the seventh requirement to go to the Thailand is your proof of vaccination, and you must be fully vaccinated at least 14 days prior to your travel, guys. And you must be vaccinated only with the vaccines which is approved in Thailand. And if you guys don't know that which vaccines are approved in the Thailand, then let me tell you. So guys, Thailand has approved the Covaxin, which is a made in India vaccine, and which is also approved by WHO. Okay, and then they have approved Covishield, Pfizer, Moderna, AstraZeneca, Vaxzevria, Sputnik V, Sinopharm, Janssen, CoronaVac by Sinovac, Comirnaty, Covilo, and AstraZeneca. And I think most of the Filipinos are vaccinated by the Sinovac vaccines, guys. So Sinovac is already approved in the Thailand, and you guys can travel to Thailand easily. And if you have taken any other vaccines, that tell us in the comment section, guys. And guys, the eighth thing which you will need to go to Thailand is your COVID-19 test before departure. It simply means you will need to get a RT-PCR test before going to the Philippines, and you can do it in any lab of the Philippines, and it must not exceed the time of 72 hours, guys. Guys, the ninth and last thing which you will need to go to Thailand is your on arrival COVID test, guys. As I said, you will have to do a on arrival COVID test, and then you can travel freely in Thailand. And you must have a prepaid COVID-19 reservation, and your COVID test will be done in your hotel room, which you will book for one night. Okay, and then they will be responsible for your on arrival COVID test, and you will have to pay for it. All right, so these were the 9 requirements which you have to fulfill before going to Thailand, guys. Let me remind you again. So you need your passport, visa, Thailand pass, hotel bookings, medical insurance, flight tickets, proof of vaccination, pre-departure COVID-19 test, and on arrival COVID test. And then I hope this all is clear now, guys. Now, guys, we will talk about which places are open in Thailand for international visitors. So in this website, you can find the name of those places which are open for tourists, guys. According to the information at the time, they can visit 17 places. The 17 places are Phuket, Surat Thani, Bangkok, Samut Prakan. Sorry, guys, if I can't pronounce them properly, na. And then we have Krabi, Pangnaga, Parchuap, Kirik Khan, Pechaburi, Chonpuri, and Pattaya. Pattaya also comes under Chonpuri, guys. And then Ranong, Chiang Mai, Loi, Buriram, Naong Khai, Udon Thani, Rayong, and Trat are open for international visitors, guys. Now, guys, I will tell you about why you should not go to Thailand right now from Philippines. See, guys, going to Thailand from Philippines is very cheap because you guys don't need to do quarantine in Thailand at all, and as a result, you can go to Thailand in very cheap price and can spend your holiday there. But I hope you guys are well aware of the inbound travel routes of the Philippines. The travelers entering in Philippines or from green countries don't need to quarantine there, and travelers coming from yellow countries will have to do a 5 days facility-based quarantine upon arrival in the Philippines with a RT-PCR test on their 5th day of quarantine. And Thailand is currently is not in the green list of Philippines, and Thailand is in the yellow list right now. And they might include Thailand in green list anytime soon. But right now, while I am making this video on 15th of November, Thailand is in yellow list, and travelers going to Philippines from Thailand will have to do 5 days facility-based quarantine, which is a bit expensive and waste of time. Guys, what I'm trying to say is you can go to Thailand in cheap rate and without quarantine. But while coming back to the Philippines, while you go back to your own country, then you have to quarantine there, and quarantine in Philippines is not cheap at all. It will cost you around 3,000 pesos per night with meals, and it means 15,000 peso for 5 days quarantine and another 3,000 for the COVID test in the Philippines. Means you will have to spend around 20,000 pesos to come back to your country, because 15,000 for hotel, 3,000 for your COVID test, and 2,000 for your airport transfers. So this is the main reason that you guys should not go to Thailand this time, because you will have to face quarantine while coming back to the Philippines. So that's it, guys, for this video, and I think most of you are new to our channel. Anyway, if you like this video, then please subscribe to our channel, and if you need any kind of help like how to get the Thailand pass, then write down in the comment section and I will help you and answer you as quick as possible, guys. See you guys in our next video. Thanks for watching and have a good day.